Giancarlo Nepomuceno. I am currently a fourth year student. In today's video, we are going to discuss the four types of error in aircraft maintenance.
Lakad lang kanina pa napagmasdan, itsura di maayos, malungkot ka na naman. Sa mga kaibigan mo ay kay sa likuran, walang magagawa.
The first one is the intentional error.
Alam kong di mapapasakin dahil di ko naman to sasabihin, kaya balewala.
Which means intentional errors are deliberate actions taken with the knowledge that they are incorrect or against the procedure. Let's take an example. For example, in a maintenance facility, a technician knowingly replaces a critical bolt with a substandard one to save time. This intentional error compromises the structural integrity of the aircraft and poses a severe safety risk. The next type is the unintentional error. Unintentional error occurs without the technician's awareness or intention. Here's an example. A technician conducting a routine checks on an aircraft, and then during the routine maintenance, a technician accidentally tightens a fuel line too much, leading to a crack. This oversight results from a lack of attention or insufficient training, highlighting the importance of thorough procedures and continuous training. The third one, active error. Active errors happen directly during maintenance tasks and are immediately evident. Let's see an example. While inspecting the landing gear, a technician mistakenly adjusts the brake pressure settings, causing uneven braking. This active error can lead to difficulties during landing and compromise passenger safety. And the last error is latent error. Latent errors are underlying system weaknesses that remain dormant until activated by specific conditions or events. Here's an example. An aircraft undergoing routine maintenance checks. During routine maintenance checks, an inspection procedure fails to identify a corroded wire in the avionics system. Although unnoticed at the time, this latent error can lead to electrical failures during flight, posing a significant risk to the aircraft's operation. For closing remarks, understanding these types of errors is vital in aircraft maintenance to prevent accidents and ensure passenger safety. By learning from real-life examples and implementing rigorous procedures, we can minimize errors and uphold the highest standards of safety in aviation. Thank you for watching.